when the time comes for the salah, we're still hanging at the back of the musalla so that we can make a quick exit after the salah, and even talking during the iqamah. Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, when he went up through the heavens, he saw millions of angels. Some of them were in the qiyam, standing position, some in ruku', some in sajda, and all of them praising Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is what is meant by was-Ṣaffāt Ṣaffā. Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam said to the Sahabah, why don't you form your rows like the Malaika? The Sahabah radiallahu anhum said, how do the Malaika form their safs for salah? So Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, they fill the first ones first, and then the ones that are closest, and they fill in the gaps. We'd still leave gaps for the shayateen to enter like lambs, even though the salah is a reflection of our life. No wonder our lives have so little adherence to Allah.